Welcome back to RC Fun and Games. I am Ryan and today we're going to be checking out a really awesome rim and tire upgrade for the Hobby Plus 6x6 Flatbed. And the rims I decided to go with are the 1.3 inch Modu Rims from Injora. This is the brass version. And to go with that, I picked up their newly released Obsidian 1.3 inch tires, which I think are going to sit really nice on this truck. So let's get into the garage and let's get them fitted. Now that we're in the garage, let's have a closer look at these rims and tires so we can see exactly what they look like. So let's start here with the awesome 1.3 inch brass Modu Rims from Injora. Let's have a quick look at them so we can see exactly what they look like. And just like I thought, they look really cool, just like the carbon fiber version. The only difference is they're going to weigh a lot more, and I think that's really going to help keep this truck seated down, especially when it's got a load on the back. And having a closer look at these rims, you can see that once again, Injora has done an amazing job with the design, the finish off, and the quality of these 1.3 inch rims. Now let's check out these awesome new 1.3 inch Obsidian tires from Injora. I think these tires are going to look so good on the truck. Just check out this awesome new tire tread design. I think that looks super aggressive. Besides that, it is soft and sticky just like always, so we know it's going to perform extremely well. And with that tire design, it's going to look really good on the 6x6 flatbed truck. The tire sizes are 64mm by 24, and of course the 1.3 inch hole in the center. So let's get these assembled, let's see what they look like, and let's get them onto the truck. So let's start disassembling so we can get them assembled. So let's start by getting the ring inside the tire. Okay, now that I've got my ring nicely seated inside, let's grab the outer part of the rim. Now let's drop this piece back in. And now let's get the rear part of the rim back in, trying to keep the holes all centralized. Never tighten the first ones down completely, always make sure you leave them halfway to make it easier to get the other screws in. These went together a lot easier than I thought, and as you can see, they look really cool with these Obsidian tires. So let me get the rest out of the packet so we can get them assembled. Now that I've got them all out of the packet, let me assemble them the quickest way I know how, which is definitely the quickest way I know. Well, now I might as well get them assembled, and once again, let's just do it the quick way. Done, so much quicker. Now let's get this side on. Done. That was definitely the easiest way. So I'm all done fitting the new rims and tires, so the only thing left to do now is to get out and go and test them. But before I leave you guys with some running footage, I would really like to ask you all to please smash that like button, as it really helps my videos get pushed in the algorithm so I can bring you more content like this. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, and it really helps me bring more content like this to all of you. So now I'm going to leave you all with a bit of running footage testing these awesome new rims and tires. And until the next video, happy trails everyone.